Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making delicious egg salad sandwiches. So here I have my water almost to a rolling boil, and there are several methods to boiling an egg. Use the one that you find most convenient. I'm going to be using 4 large eggs. Once my water comes back up to a boil, I'm going to let my eggs cook in the boiling water for about 10 to 11 minutes. Now that my eggs are done, I'm going to remove them and place them in an ice cold water bath to stop the cooking process. Now that my eggs are cool enough to handle, I'm just going to start cracking and peeling them. And it should peel fairly easy. There we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to slice my eggs in half, and as you can see, they cooked perfectly. And I'm going to add the yolks to my fine wire mesh strainer, and this is just going to help break it apart and kind of make it fluffy. Okay, so I went ahead and chopped all of the whites. Now what I'm going to do is just press and mash the yolk through the fine wire mesh. That just breaks up the egg a lot easier, and it does give you a fluffier, lighter, airier egg salad. It's up to you. You don't have to do it. I saw my cousin do this when she was making deviled eggs, and I like that it really just made a creamier yolk. Just take everything from underneath it and scrape it into the bowl. Now I'm going to add mayo. Oops. And it just depends on how much mayo you want in your egg salad. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of dried chives. You could add fresh chives or no chives. It's up to you. I'm gonna go with a pinch of salt, some paprika, I'd say about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and I'm going to add a little bit of Dijon mustard. Tell you what, I'll use this spoon. I'm only using 4 eggs, so I don't need a lot. Just a little bit like that. Now I'm just going to give everything a mix. A little bit of cracked black pepper. Okay. So I'm going to put these on my little sandwich rolls. They're going to be perfect for lunch sandwiches. So for the bread or the rolls, I'm using this savory butter rolls. You could use what you have. You could just use plain sandwich bread. It all works. Some of your egg salad. and put it right onto your roll. So here is a perfect little egg salad sandwich, and I sprinkled some dried parsley on it. But take a look at that. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.